Well, unfortunately, the time has come to let the LS400 go. Kind of sad about it, but at the same time, I think it's time to move on to bigger and better projects. Something that doesn't really I don't know. I don't want to say waste my time, but it's not what I'm looking for anymore. You know, it's time to break up with the LS400. It's time to let it go to someone else who really loves these things. You know, I like them. I think this was all right. For the condition that it's in, it does a lot better than other cars at the same condition. I think it does fine. You know, it's still a hoopty, but it's like, at least it drives smooth. At least the engine doesn't have issues. Knock on wood. At least the engine doesn't have issues. But you know, you got to deal with everything else. All the electrical failing. Eventually the suspension's pretty dog. Specifically the upper and lower ball joints. That's just a common issue. And that's something that this car probably has. It's whatever. But I kind of want to stick with either the Mustang or maybe even get something different than that. I just want to stick in the range of like sports cars. A sedan, a luxury sedan was cool. But I think the next thing I'm going to buy isn't going to be, it's either going to be more of a project than this car, or it's going to be nicer than this car in general. And by more of a project, I'm kind of thinking more like a build has been started, or there's not much left there, so then I can just throw parts on it. I'm not really too sure what the future has in store. Maybe I'll just keep working on the Mustang. Maybe I'll sell it. I don't have a clear answer at that point in time, especially since gas is so expensive. Everybody tell me in the comments what your gas price is right now. That'd be really cool.
Hello everybody, welcome back. I have finally decided to fix the 1994 Lexus LS400 that lives graciously in my backyard. I have gone ahead and spent way too much money to get a new ECU, brand new. I haven't even unboxed it yet. Wait, I gotta show this side. I haven't even unboxed it yet.
Leak your address?
Yeah, leak my address. So I got a battery as well and some gas, because we're probably gonna definitely need those things. But I should open this up, shouldn't I? And we should see what's in here. Cut towards yourself, that's a pro tip from me to you.
Cut towards myself. Hello guys.
Hello guys, I'm in the hospital now.
Hello guys, this is actually a pipe bomb mailed to me and I am about to blow up.
And I'm about to die. Now online it says that I'm not supposed to tamper with the unit, otherwise my warranty will be void, but I really don't care about the warranty and I kind of want to know what this looks like on the inside. But who knows?
Ooh, wait, let me get a close-up of this.
Jesus.
Why is this kind of scratched? Low key.
Dude.
Ooh, they like sanded that shit.
Ugh. Oh well, at least it's not in the connectors.
Pretty open ECU if I do say
I feel
so.
like it being dented means it's gonna not work.
Well, throw it in. If it blows up, you get your warranty.
That's so true. Fuck this place, man.
Hey, and if it works, it works.
We don't have to leave this on the record because this is just embarrassing. But that was $800 fucking dollars.
Ooh.
For it to look like what the fuck is that even? It's definitely because they just don't. Like, I don't even think this was from shipping. I think it's just because that's the way they.
No, look at it. It's literally sanded.
Yeah, that's the way they put it back together. And it fits in perfectly. It's the exact part number, so. The last connector did not want to go in, but that was the same on the other ECU.
If you plug it in and then you plug a battery in and some lights come up on the Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's how you know. Well, let's get the battery in there and see what happens. Oh. I gotta sell that other car sitting next to the Lexus.
And this one too.
Dude, fuck you. There's just too many cars in my house. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just keep collecting them for some reason. I guess we're putting the battery in because it's got an electric cap.
Dude, fuck.
Dude, look at how corroded this is. Like, these are just fucked. And this one, oh, that one's really bad.
Ooh, that one's like worn down as fuck. You know, he's getting it slowly.
Slowly.
I mean, how much you spent? Like what, $5,000 on tools, and you're using a fucking hand wrench.
Yeah.
You're using
Yeah. I don't want to grab the sockets. It's too much work. Do we put more gas in it?
Probably
not a bad idea.
You could.
Actually,
Actually,
Let's see.
if it pops off,
No, not if it pops off. I just want to see
lights.
if the lights illuminate.
I can't even see that shit. Low key.
Yeah, it's really low on fuel though, so it's gonna help if we get some in there. Dude, I'm doing like this and it's still leaking.
Look. She a thirsty one.
Oh yeah, it's at like less than a quarter.
Ooh.
And it's all bad gas, probably.
Hey, wait, wasn't the thing like we had to keep it like below or above 50? What was the thing we used to do?
Keep it above 50%.
That's fun.
I spilled gas on myself the whole time.
Yeah, it's all over the ground too.
Whatever, man.
Mother Nature
At
thanks
least
you.
it got gas in it.
Mother Nature is thanking you.
Oh, my cat's out here. And I just farted really loudly.
You sound like that car.
Yeah. Okay, I guess we should see if it pops off. I don't know though. I feel like the starter relay is still bunk. Yeah, starter relay's shit. Okay, so the starter relay's bunk. You know how long we have to wait to get a new one of those? A while. Take it apart and fix it.
Look at this. Like, look at this. No rust, no corrosion, no nothing. The wiring's all good. This is no scratch, no nothing. Connected still. I can't. I just don't think it's this. Like, I actually don't. Like, this looks perfect. There's no burn edge. There's nothing. It might be something else.
What other fuse could we have blown?
This looks perfect. Like,
But that was the one that was igniting, and I don't think it's supposed to ignite. That's the only thing that doesn't go off though, is the starter. Which is scary, because what if it broke the starter?
that was a turn.
Did you keep turning it?
It turned once.
Huh, maybe we should just jump it. That battery's been sitting on the shelf for ages. It probably just has enough juice to do all the accessories. I don't think it has enough to turn the starter though. Why are you looking at me like that?
The single fucking ring? Just a single half turn.
Well, because I've had this happen at work before where they're like,
Yeah.
all the accessories turn on, but then it just doesn't crank. It's probably, I mean, look at it. It literally has dust. We bought a battery with dust on it. They probably don't charge those fuckers.
Yeah. The single tick of hope.
It is copium, dude. It's hopium.
It's
It's literally
hopium.
waiting for Half-Life 3. I don't know. If all else fails, I want to check that connector and then start looking for ground. I kind of have enough hopium left in me to say it's not the starter yet.
Oh, it just blew shit all up there.
Shit!
Oh, shit.
Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
We have to step away.
Let's step away. Let's step away.
Holy shit.
No, this is actually when fucking
Hopium.
No, it's actually when Jetfire is dying and he's like, Optimus, I'm gonna give you my parts. Because this Lexus just healed the other Lexus with infinite Japanese wisdom. I don't even know. Holy shit. It is good to be back in fucking business. Good to be back. They're going to know that this car is started. My neighbors down the street months ago were complaining. They were like, that little black car that comes by all the time, it's so freaking loud. Ah. Well, it's back. And it's summer. You're gonna hear it every single day until I sell it. Get fucked. And I would like to address a comment. Young buck, you need to understand the Lexus before you can own one or something like that. Fuck you. I do understand the Lexus. I know how it works. I've been inside of it and I got it done. It starts now. Fuck you. We gotta fix the dash though before we can drive it. Get a view on that shit. This is how we left it since the last video. Oh my god.
I don't know where the screws are.
Oh wait, we gotta piece this thing back together because
We will rebuild him.
we will rebuild him. I was meant to be beautiful. So after a short period of time, we got the car all cleaned up and put back together. The engine bay is put back together. We also thanks to Jacob, fixed the CD player, which is very crucial because the radio sounds like ass in this car. Unsurprisingly, it's from '94. Oh shit, you know what we forgot? Oh fuck. But now I can officially say that this car is running again. Oh, which is great because I was worried I was gonna lose all my money and then have to sell the car for like 500 bucks or scrap it, which would be very sad. And since these cars are a little harder to find, I thought that that would be a kind of, how'd you put it, like sacrilegious, like, not one of one, but like rare body style, black, it's a '94, last year production for first gen, and then I crush it. That'd be sad. So, I'm glad I didn't end up having to do that or sell it and get rid of it and move it on to the next person. I still got quite a few things to do on this though, like O2 sensors.
Anyway, yeah, it's time to let it go. It was fun working on it. I tried to get some footage of doing the fender. That did not come out quite as good as I wanted it to. I've never done paint before, so that was interesting to learn on without messing up, I'm gonna say, a nicer vehicle, because this is not necessarily that nice. It's like a C tier, all right? It's like a C tier at best. If I really wanted to keep with the LS theme, I would go and try to get a nicer one. You know, I'd go and spend like $6,000 or $7,000 on a nicer LS400 that probably doesn't, you know, sound like this. Maybe. That part doesn't really annoy me. I like loud cars, but if you try to daily this thing, like, yeah, it gets a little bit annoying. You know, it's just droning in the back of your ear. You get a headache, whatever. That, not only that, it's just extremely illegal. Like, it is stupid loud when you're going through residential neighborhoods. Like, I couldn't even leave my house quietly if I wanted to. I'd just take my other car. Like, I'd rather take the Mustang, because at least then it would be somewhat permissible. But I can't. But yeah, that's kind of it for the LS400. It feels like I didn't do a lot, but then I watched some footage today, and it's like, wow, the door didn't even open on this car when I bought it, and I still bought it. I don't know. It's just crazy to see how different things are almost a year later. I just feel that like I didn't do enough work, probably because it sat over winter, and I was telling myself, oh, I'm gonna basically flip this damn thing. I'm gonna restore it and flip it. It didn't really work out like that, because when you break it down, I would be spending a little more money trying to fix everything and not see that return than just getting rid of it now, you know, because at least now I can kind of break even and walk away okay. But any more work done to this car, and it's just like literally sinking money into a pit, and I just don't feel like it. I have 3 cars, you know. I think I can just kind of ride out the Mustang for a little longer until, you know, whatever I do with that, whether I turn it into like a monster or something, I don't know. That would be nice too, but like when you talk about making project cars and doing race builds or drift builds, whatever you want to say, drag even, everything just gets really expensive, so you have to be willing to die on probably one car for a while. And I just don't know if that's where I'm at with the Mustang right now. And I'm definitely not there with this car. This car, no. I don't want to keep dying on this hill and losing money. If you're passionate about a car and you can comfortably, or let's just say somewhat comfortably, afford to, you know, keep working on it, keep throwing parts at it, then do that, you know, as long as you can stay passionate about that one car. For me, I want to try different things constantly. You know, I see a new car, or new to me, right? A car I've never seen before, and I get fascinated about it right away. But I don't die on that hill. So I've talked on this channel about a lot of different cars that I've probably wanted, and those opinions have probably changed by now. I don't even know what I'd want. I think for right now, I just want to stay away from buying so many cars, because I think I'm at like my 6th one. And yeah, I need to cool it. So I'll be selling this car and another car you haven't seen, just because that's not like you wouldn't talk. It's a CRV. You wouldn't talk about that car. So get those out of my face, and then I don't know. Something tells me if I say that I'm not going to buy another car, you're going to see another video posted about a new car. So we'll see. But I do have a lot of things in the works right now. So hopefully I'll have a couple more videos pumped out pretty soon. And yeah, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this series. And if you've been here since the first Lexus video, then leave a like. I never thought I'd own one of these LS400s. It's cool that I do, though. It's cool that I did. I got to experience it, and I get to move on to something else, or maybe take a break from it for a while. But yeah, just glad everybody's been sticking around, even though it's been like months. So thank you for that again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The LS400 is no more.
Yeah, we gotta kill him.
Yeah, we have to kill him. It was definitely Noah.
What happened?
The seller just, or the buyer just blocked me. Didn't say nothing. He literally was like, yeah, I'll let you know when I'm almost here. I sent a thumbs up back. Fucker blocked me. I don't even know. Do you think he's gonna try to steal the car now? Because he's black. I was like talking about I'd rather have like cash and stuff, yada yada. I was talking about some Cash App. So I was like, okay, you know, otherwise we can do tomorrow. He said something like, my ride's 10 minutes away. All right, so I said, see you soon then. He says, sounds good. I'll let you know when I'm like 15 minutes away. I'm leaving now, 9:26 ETA. I got the $400 cash, then the rest Cash App. I said, all right, sounds good. I'll see you then.
Oh!
Do you think he pulled up? Do you think he pulled up then dipped?
No, I think he's black.
Or they pulled up and saw the car and then were like, no, and then dipped.
They're an hour away. They don't just want to look at the car, like ask about it. They could just say, yeah, I'm not feeling this.
Don't know, dude. Don't know.